Hello, and welcome to my course on AWS with Python and Boto3, working with S3. In this course, we're going to dive deep into S3 and we're going to learn ins and outs of S3 by making examples with Python, Boto3, and the AWS API, of course. So in this course, we're going to learn how to upload objects, how to do multi-part uploads, how to host a static website, and various other technologies that S3 offers to us. And as you know, S3 is a very popular technology, storage technology from AWS, and it stands for Simple Storage Service, and it is being used from largest companies to startups and simply everyone. So without further ado, let's dive deep into what we're going to cover in this course, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.